Hi, I'm Sophfronia Scott, and welcome to my first unboxing video. You know, I've never done one of these before, but this box arrived from my publisher, and I thought, well, I'm going to give this a try. I'll set this up and open it with you. So I think these are my authored copies of my new book, The Seeker and the Monk, Everyday Conversations with Thomas Merton. If not, then my publisher has sent me an amazing surprise, and you'll get to see that too. So let's see what we have here. Whoa, this is some fun bubble wrap here. I'm glad my books are well protected. I'm actually going to keep this and reuse this. This is fun stuff. Oh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Here it is. And I'm stunned, because even though I know what this book looks like, and I've seen, you know, an advanced reader copy, this is the finished book. And I have to say, it's a lot. It's thicker, and there's a texture to the cover that I didn't expect. Oh my gosh. And it's really beautiful. Broadleaf Books did an awesome job. That's beautiful. I'm gonna try not to cry here. So this is not just about a book. Okay, this is, when I look at this book, I think about 2 years ago next month, I was on retreat with classmates of mine from the Vermont College of Fine Arts, with Peter, Greg, Anu, Ben, and we were all writing, and I was working on the book proposal for this book. And it's an unusual book, and I wasn't sure if I could write a proposal that could relate what I was trying to do with it. But it all worked out, and I have a fabulous editor named Valerie Weaver-Zerker, and she helped me really put this book together in a way that will bring Thomas Merton, I'm hoping, to a new generation. I'm just excited about this book. Never thought I would get to write a book about Thomas Merton, or even just how I see his work and can, you know, sort of be mentored by him as we go through issues like race and faith and materialism, ambition, love. And this has just been a wonderful road to walk. So, I'm really happy to see this book, and I hope you'll get to see it very soon as well. March 16th is the publication date, and I'm really excited that I unboxed this book with you. Anyway, you have a great day. It's snowing here, and I'm going to enjoy the snow and continue with my writing. You take care. Bye-bye.